Are you tired of constantly getting your Facebook account's checkpoint? You create a new account, and within a few days, boom, it's gone. And the ones that survive barely engage like a real user. If you're doing online sales, seeding posts, running ads, or building a system of satellite pages, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to automatically manage and grow hundreds of Facebook accounts without lifting a finger. No spam, no manual posting, no more account bans, just one powerful tool, MKT Care. In the past, managing 10 to 20 Facebook accounts meant logging into each one manually, scrolling the feed, liking posts, watching videos, reacting, commenting, and posting content by hand. That could take hours every day and was barely effective. Worse yet, doing repetitive actions across accounts easily triggered Facebook checkpoints. But not anymore. With MKT Care, you can run hundreds of accounts in parallel, behaving just like real users, and even more efficiently. MKT Care is a professional software built for mass Facebook account automation. Its interface is clean and user-friendly. All you need is a list of accounts either as username, password, or token. The software logs in automatically using a browser-based environment, assigning each account to a separate profile, just like running it on a real device. That's why checkpoint risk is minimized to nearly zero. Once your accounts are added, you can build personalized automation scripts for each one, scrolling the feed, liking posts, AI-generated comments based on niche topics, watching reels, sending friend requests, inboxing, reacting to stories, sharing posts, you name it. And the best part? You can schedule everything in advance. MKT Care does all the heavy lifting like a real human. After setting your automation scripts, all you need to do is click Run. The software will instantly launch multiple tasks across dozens or even hundreds of accounts simultaneously. That means you can grow accounts, seed posts, and manage your entire content system automatically without babysitting your computer. There's even a built-in bulk posting tool for personal pages and fan pages, turning your farmed accounts into real marketing channels. I've personally been using MKT Care for over 3 months now. I started with just 10 accounts, then scaled to 50, then 100. The results have been amazing. Accounts stay alive longer, hardly ever get checkpoint, behave more naturally, and most importantly, my seeding efforts convert better. I've saved at least 4 to 6 hours per day managing accounts, while keeping everything smooth and professional. If you're looking for a smart, safe, and scalable way to manage Facebook accounts, MKT Care is the tool you need. Try it once, and you'll see why every serious digital marketer uses this. Need a free trial or step-by-step setup support? Just message me on WhatsApp, 84,353,625,950, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials on automated marketing, content seeding, and sales system building using powerful tools like MKT Care. I'm your name, and I'll see you in the next video.